This is the Allett Classic 17L cylinder mower. Good little mower. Good things I like about this mower: it's nice and lightweight, easy to manoeuvre. You can lift it up and down steps. I think it only weighs about 42 kilograms roughly. So yeah, it's nice and lightweight. Good points again. Its engine seems good enough. Launching 87cc, plenty enough for what you need it to do. Everything sort of functions well on it. Bad points that I've found: throttle, the original throttle is flimsy. I've already upgraded mine. Mine's snapped inside here. The throttle cable snapped, so I've already upgraded mine to a more beefier throttle. What else has happened? My spring broke in here. Spring for the front roller, it snapped here, so I had to replace that. Other than that, I've had no problems with it. It's been pretty good. Another thing I don't like is the height adjusters here for setting your reel to bed knife. It's done in increments, so when you put your screwdriver in, you turn it and it will be a little click and it will move in increments, as opposed to being able to fine tune it. And with cylinder mowers, you want to be able to fine tune it. That's a must in my opinion. Other than that, yeah, about five blade cartridge there, which cuts well. Another thing I don't like is the plastic front roller. Obviously this is the entry level cylinder mower, so it's not going to come with a metal one, but in my opinion, for the price you're paying for it, it should have a metal roller. That's just something I don't like about it, really, personally. Other than that, yeah, it's a good little mower. It's done me well. I say it doesn't get used that often, but for what it does, it leaves a good finish. And yeah, I say I only picked this up on because I got it at a very good price. I probably wouldn't purchase one if it was shop prices, put it that way. But other than that, it's a good entry level cylinder mower for people wanting to get into the finer lawn care and such like. But yeah, it's my opinion. Thanks for watching.